I have the Samsung Galaxy A14 and I've added the touch shortcut to my lock screen so that even without the phone being unlocked, I can be able to just swipe and turn on the flashlight. Okay, so this might come in handy, especially when you have a phone and you don't know the password to the phone, but you still need to turn on the flashlight. Okay, so you can turn it on and turn it off straight from the lock screen. So let me show you how to make that possible. So unlock your phone, and with the phone unlocked, go to settings. That takes you to the main settings page. Go to lock screen and tap on that, and then tap on the lock screen editor. So just tap on that. And then you should be able to edit your lock screen shortcuts. There are normally two shortcuts, one on the left and one on the right hand side. So if yours is something else, like maybe the phone app, the default is normally the phone app. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So what you need to do is tap on that and select touch. Okay, and once you see the touch icon there, just tap on done to save the changes. And from now on, you should have the touch shortcut on the lock screen of your Galaxy A14. So just swipe it to turn on the flashlight and swipe it again to turn that off. Okay, thanks for watching and good luck.